Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. The second lesson would be months. So let's get started. January in Spanish is enero. Enero. February in Spanish is febrero. Repeat after me. Febrero. How to say March in Spanish? Marzo. Marzo. April in Spanish is abril. Abril. May in Spanish is mayo. Mayo. How to say June in Spanish? Junio. Repeat after me. Junio. Junio. July in Spanish is julio. Julio. August in Spanish is agosto. Agosto. September in Spanish is septiembre. Septiembre. Please repeat. Septiembre. October in Spanish is octubre. Octubre. November in Spanish is noviembre. Noviembre. Please repeat. Noviembre. December in Spanish is diciembre. Diciembre. Let's revise the months. Please repeat after me and practice. Enero. Febrero. Marzo. Abril. Mayo. Junio. Julio. Agosto. Septiembre. Octubre. Noviembre. Diciembre. Good. Now let's quickly practice the letters which we studied in the previous video. A, B, C, D, E, F, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, L, N, R. So now think and answer. A as in abuela. Abuela means grandmother. B, bailar. Bailar means to dance. C, cantar. Cantar means to sing. D, dedo. Dedo means finger. A, elefante. Elefante means elephant. F, floor. Floor means flower. K, gato. Gato means cat. H, helado. H is silent in Spanish. Helado means ice cream. E, iglesia. Iglesia means church. J, cafe. Cafe means boss. K, kiwi. Kiwi in Spanish is kiwi. L, libro. Libro means book. M-A, madre. Madre means mother. N-A, noche. Noche means night. O, oso. Oso means bear. P, padre. Padre means father. Q, queso. Queso means cheese. Queso. R, rana. Rana means frog. S, sol. Sol means sun. T, tarta. Tarta means cake. U, uvas. Uvas means grapes. Uve, vaca. Vaca means cow. W, whiskey. Whiskey means whiskey. There are very few words starting with W in Spanish. X, xilófono. Xilófono means xylophone. Y, yoga. Yoga means yoga. Z, zapato. Zapato means shoe. L, llueve. Llueve means rain. Llueve. N, niña. Niña means girl. Niña. R, perro. Perro means dog. Perro. I hope you liked the video and learnt out of it. I will be uploading more videos soon. Please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to it if you really like the video. Thank you.